happens if we bring blueberries to Sicily? Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we're making 3 classic Sicilian recipes using fresh blueberries: gelato, sorbetto and liqueur. These are timeless recipes that are traditionally made with summer fruits like strawberries, pineapple or peaches. So why not try them with blueberries? Blueberries, native to North America, were celebrated by indigenous tribes for their nutritional benefits and symbolic meanings. They pair beautifully with the spirit of Italian cuisine, which embraces fresh, seasonal fruits to craft simple yet delicious creations. We will be making blueberry gelato, a Sicilian-inspired dessert that uses fresh blueberries to create a creamy, light and fruity indulgence. Sicilian gelato is renowned for its airy texture and refined flavors, making it a perfect summer treat. Blueberry sorbetto, a refreshing and dairy-free Sicilian dessert that highlights the pure taste of fresh blueberries. Often served as a palate cleanser or light dessert, sorbetto has been enjoyed since ancient times. Blueberry liqueur. Fruit liqueurs originated in European monasteries during the Middle Ages, where monks infused spirits with seasonal fruits, not only to preserve their flavors, but also for their believed healing properties. Over time, these liquors became elegant beverages, made not only with native fruits, but also with exotic produce from the New World. If you would like to be using different ingredients in classic recipes, give this video a like and write it in the comment below. For these recipes, always use fresh blueberries for optimal flavor, texture and color. Rinse the berries thoroughly and allow them to air dry before use. Icelandic or wild blueberries are particularly intense in flavor and are a great choice for these recipes. These are the ingredients you need for the gelato, and you can find fruit gelato recipe to print in the link above. Fruit gelato uses milk, cream and Italian meringue to create a creamy yet light texture. It's perfect for those who enjoy a rich, indulgent dessert. And these are the ingredients you need for the sorbetto, and a classic fruit sorbetto recipe to print in the link above. The detailed measurements are in the description below. Sorbetto is a dairy-free option that relies on the natural sweetness of blueberries and Italian meringue for a fluffy, refreshing finish. It's lighter and fruitier, making it perfect for hot summer days. Both recipes use Italian meringue to achieve a smooth, airy texture. Sorbetto can also include a splash of alcohol for a softer texture and enhanced flavor. These are the ingredients you need for the liquor, and the link to the recipe to print in the link above. In Italy, we buy 90% alcohol. If you cannot find it in your country, you can use vodka or Everclear. So let's start with infusing the blueberries in alcohol, as the process requires patience. You will need 10 days for infusion and 20 days for maturation, but the results are well worth the wait. Place the blueberry in a large jar, cover with alcohol and mix well. Store the jar in a cool, dark place for 10 days, shaking it every other day. For the gelato, we can prepare the milk cream the day before. Warm whole milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat until just below a simmer, and then remove from heat. Beat egg yolks and caster sugar together until smooth and slightly lightened in color. Small bubbles will indicate the mixture is properly aerated. Slowly whisk a portion of the warm milk into the egg yolk mixture to temper the eggs. Keep mixing to prevent the eggs from scrambling. Then gradually add the rest of the milk while whisking until fully combined. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, about 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the milk cream through a fine mesh sieve to remove any lumps, and then cool at room temperature for 30 minutes. Transfer the milk cream to an airtight container and refrigerate until thoroughly chilled, ideally overnight. The day before, we can also marinate blueberries with lemon juice and sugar to enhance their natural sweetness and release their juices. Next day, we puree the marinated blueberries using a vegetable strainer attachment or a manual strainer. We will use the blueberry puree in both gelato and sorbetto. I use a KitchenAid electrical strainer. It's so convenient, also for many other Italian recipes including tomato sauce or as a potato masher for gnocchi. If you want to check it out, click on the Amazon affiliate link above. Pass the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove seeds and refine the texture. If you wish to add fresh fruit to the final gelato, set aside some whole blueberries. Now we prepare the Italian meringue that we will use in both gelato and sorbetto. In a small saucepan, combine caster sugar and water and heat over medium until fully dissolved. Do not stir, as stirring can cause the sugar to recrystallize. Once the sugar has dissolved, increase heat to a gentle boil, monitoring the syrup until it reaches the soft ball stage. It's important to maintain a gentle boil without stirring it to prevent the sugar from recrystallizing. While the syrup is heating, whip egg whites in a clean, dry bowl until soft peaks form. This is best done using an electrical mixer to ensure the egg whites are sufficiently aerated. When the syrup reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 115 degrees Celsius, on a candy thermometer, known as the soft ball stage, remove from the heat. Carefully and gradually pour it in a fine stream into the whipped egg whites. Continue beating at high speed while doing this, aiming to pour the syrup between the whisk and the side of the bowl to prevent splattering. Whip the mixture and it becomes glossy and forms stiff peaks. The Italian meringue is ready. We will need to use the Italian meringue immediately as it cannot be prepared in advance. To make gelato, mix the blueberry puree into the chilled milk cream mixture until fully combined. Pour the mixture into an ice cream machine and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the gelato starts to solidify, add the Italian meringue while the machine is still churning to incorporate it evenly and maintain a fluffy texture. If desired, add the reserved whole blueberries during the churning process. Continue churning until the gelato reaches the desired consistency. The gelato is ready to serve. For the sorbet, dissolve the sugar into the water. You don't have to warm it up. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add the blueberry juice and stir thoroughly. Pour the mixture into your ice cream machine and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, about 20 to 30 minutes, until thick and nearly solid. Traditionally, the Italian sorbet was different from the French sorbet as it had a drop of alcohol. You can add some vodka, spumante or Grand Marnier. As I have already made my blueberry liqueur, I will add a drop of that. Once the sorbet starts solidifying, gradually add the Italian meringue while the machine is still churning. It will evenly incorporate, giving the sorbet a light texture. The sorbet is ready to be served. As summers can be very hot, it's best to chill the serving dishes ahead of time to keep the sorbet cold when served. I always use a Nambi tray to serve my gelato. It's a proprietary aluminium alloy designed to retain both hot and cold temperatures for extended periods, making it ideal for serving and cookware. I have shared my Amazon affiliate link here above. You can serve your gelato garnished with reserved fresh blueberries, a sprig of mint or a lemon twist for added flavour and visual appeal. Pair the sorbetto with a glass of chilled Prosecco, a light dessert wine or our blueberry liqueur. By the way, we still haven't made our blueberry liqueur, so let's continue with our third recipe. Once the blueberry have infused in alcohol for 10 days, prepare a simple syrup by dissolving sugar in water. Bring the water to the boil and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. You do not need to caramelize it. As soon as the sugar is dissolved, remove from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Pour the blueberry alcohol mixture into a large bottle and add the syrup once it's cooled down completely. Let the mixture sit for an additional 20 days, shaking occasionally. Don't rush the infusion or maturation process, as it will compromise the final flavour. Once prepared, the liquor can be stored for months, making it perfect for gifting or special occasions. It can be mixed in cocktails for a unique twist. Drizzle the liquor over gelato or sorbetto for an extra burst of flavour. Garnish with fresh blueberries and pair the blueberry liquor with the desserts as a luxurious digestif. For more gelato recipes or desserts with fresh fruits, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next culinary adventure. I'm going to bring mango and papaya to Sicily. Let's see what happens.